More than 6 million people have been forced to flee their homes in Florida as Hurricane Irma makes landfall. The edge of the storm is now battering the state's coastline. Irma has left a trail of devastation across the Caribbean. As the eye of the storm heads for Florida, highways have been jammed with vehicles and gas stations are running out of fuel. Now, the Florida governor has urged everyone in Irma's path to flee, but many people in Miami are unwilling or unable to leave and are boarding up their windows to limit the damage. Nicholas Sanchez O'Donovan is in the city for RT.
In the morning, we haven't seen practically anybody on the streets, no cars, and all businesses and public buildings here are boarded up, or they're using sandbags, because this, as I say, is going to be an area where we expecting severe floods, severe flooding, a lot of water, both from rain and from the surge. Gusts of winds are getting more constant. These were about 2-3 minutes long. Now it's sustained for about 15 to 20 minutes. And right there, that's an enormous crane at the top of the building. They didn't have time to put them down, to dismantle them and put them away, so they've left them up. And those cranes are right now a big threat to the buildings surrounding the construction site. We are definitely noticing the first effects of what could be a devastating hurricane, not only for the city, but for all of southern Florida.